All right, hello everybody. So if we have asked you to submit photos of your teeth for whatever various reason, if you're in treatment and we just want to check in where you're at, or if you're a new patient and we want to do an initial consultation, I'm going to walk you through how to submit those photos through our website. So if you go to drcbraces.com, there is a tab on the left side here called Virtual Consultation. So you're going to tap on that tab, and that is going to bring up a screen that's going to ask you for your name. If you can please put the patient's name in here. So patient's name on that top line, your preferred email address there. Phone number is optional. If you're already a patient of record here, we'll have your phone number already. If you are a new patient, please share your phone number with you so we have a way to get in contact with you. If you have any questions or comments, you can type it in there. And then you're going to click on next, and this is going to prompt you through taking 5 photos of your teeth. So I'm going to pass this over to Christina so that she can take these photos. If you're at home, you can use 2 spoons as cheek retractors. So I'm going to be using these to pull my cheeks out of the way. These biting photos, we want you to be able to bite on your back teeth as good as possible. A little trick if you're having a tough time figuring out exactly where your bite on your back teeth is to put your tongue up to the roof of your mouth as far back as it'll go, and that'll pull your lower jaw back and force you to bite on your back teeth. So let's start these here. That photo, and then we will move on to the right side. I'm going to pull this retractor a little bit harder on this side photo. And then we'll switch over to the left side. Again, pulling this retractor a little bit harder. These last 2 photos, one of the upper arch, one of the lower arch, you're going to want to open as wide as you can. For this upper one, I'm going to pull the retractors up a little bit to get my lip out of the way, like that. And then the lower one, we're just going to pull the retractors down a little bit. And then you will submit those and request a consultation. And those photos will be emailed to us, and we will either respond by email or by phone to let you know how we're going to proceed from there. So thank you very much and have a good day.